Hey guys, it's Addison here, and today we are kicking off our awesome adventure to Iceland. And even though our plane doesn't leave until 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we're still gonna do a ton of fun stuff to prepare. Like biking! Okay guys, we just got back from biking and now we're headed to the airport. We're in the airport and we're right next to where our plane will be. We are now on the airplane and we are right on the wing. We have arrived in Seattle and it is currently 10:35 local time, and our Iceland Air airplane will be coming in soon so we can board. And for right now we're just waiting. And all we're really gonna do on that plane is sleep, so yeah. We are in the gift shop and there's tons of cool stuff. Chocolate made from here. And lava chocolate too. Super cool. We finally got our Sprinter van, and it is already 6 o'clock. The Sprinter van thing took a very, very long time. And now we are driving to Reykjavik to get some groceries, and we're gonna go to our campground. But for now, it's bye.